Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all, and I hope each and every one of you is having an awesome day today. It's the Omarija, the Omari JJ, the trader from the villages, the only Jaguar that is a goat. So, ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you today's sponsor, which is Investizo. A lot of you guys are going to ask yourself, what is Investizo? So I'm going to be doing a broker review on this video. I'm going to be telling you more about Investizo. So I'm going to be telling you about the features, the tools and the benefits. We're going to dive deeper into the review of the CFD broker, which is Investizo, and discover everything that you need to know about trading with Investizo, including the platform features, leverage options, the asset variety, and trading tools. We'll also cover the account types, deposit and withdrawal options, and highlight the strengths and the areas of improvement that this broker still needs to do. Whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced trader, watch and see if Investizo is the right choice of your trading goals. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment in this video so that you get to be notified for all the other future uploads that I get to drop on this channel. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into it. And also, what we're going to be doing also in this video, I'm going to be making sure that I'm analyzing for you guys XAUUSD, DXY, and the NAS100. These guys would know that last week, guys, the market was going crazy because there was US elections. So most of you guys are interested in seeing how the market has been running and what to expect on this upcoming week. So it's going to be crazy this coming week. Watch till the end in order for you to see me analyzing and reviewing Investizo, which is the broker that you guys have to use. So we're gonna be looking at how the market was moving with the DXY. As you can see, after Trump's being elected into presidency, we saw the rise in the DXY. We saw a very bullish market. We saw the dollar gaining strength, man. That means the investors are trusting that Trump is gonna make America great again, which is, I won't lie, as a trader, I was also having quite a thrill while Trump was still in presidency. The New York Open used to be very much aggressive. If you were trading things like your Wall Street, US30, trading things like your NAS100, you'd recall that the market used to give us very strong buys during the US Open. So in South African time, we used to open around about 3:30. We used to get very much bullish NAS100 and US30 at that time. That is back at 2020, 2021. That was very good. So right now, Donald Trump is back again. So we're gonna see how things are gonna go. So let's just start by looking at today's sponsor, which is Investizo. So with Investizo, you earn up to 100% commission when you are trading with them. So they are a broker. So you can start by simply trying out their demo account and seeing how good their market conditions are. As you can see, they also have on their website the live markets. They have the live markets. As you can see whether the Euro USD is bullish at the time or it's not bullish at that time. So these are their reviews as well that they are getting from people. So they are also available in MetaTrader 4. You can trade with them in MetaTrader 4, which is obviously available in your Windows as well as your iOS. So this is them, everything you need to know about them. So they also have signals. You can also check out the analytics on their website, and you can also check the economic calendar on their website. So the economic calendar does help people to actually get to know the news events that are gonna be taking place at that time and moment. So you can get a commission of up to $5. And when you open a real account, the minimum deposit that you need to have is about $10, which is quite not a lot of money. So let's just check how much is $10 to rands for those who are staying in South Africa. So 10 USD to rands, it's about 184 rands, which is not that much yeah, compared to other brokers. So you can learn more. So when you say more, let's see, with their different account types. So account types, they have the real ECN, which is $10 minimum. Then they have the real standard, which is no commission. So if you want to earn commissions, you can just try the real ECN, and then you're going to start earning yourself those commissions. So those are the account types that they have on their platform. So they also have the trading calculator. Okay, this is a nicest tool. I like the trading calculator. It makes trading very much easy. I use a platform which I'm not going to mention to calculate my lot sizing. A trading calculator, actually, you give the leverage of your account, you give the balance of the account, and then you give how much you want to risk on a trade. It does even tell you the amounts that you can lose from a trade and the amounts you will make from a trade, your risk reward and your risk ratio, which is very much amazing. So they also have a minimum of $10. So they're comparing the two account types that they have. So available instruments is currencies, cryptos, metals, energy, CFDs, as well as indices. So the maximum leverage is 1:1,000, which is not bad. Very much nice. Very much nice. You must remember every time, the bigger the leverage you take, the more the risk you put in your account. You must never forget that. They are available on MT4. The lot size, you can start from 0.010, 0.01, which is real size, the spread, I mean. And then this other one, it's 0.1.5. So the commission is $5, zero. And then the contract size, there it is, split, stop out at 20%, swap free, so you don't pay any swaps. Market execution, they allow that. Bonus, you do get a bonus when you get into it, which is very much nice. These are the things that they offer. So you guys can click the link in my description in order to join and be part of Investizo.com. Moving right along. So DXY has been quite bullish ever since the day we saw Donald Trump walking into parliament. That means more investors are coming back to the dollar to invest again, which simply means that the price of gold is actually decreasing. Which simply means that the price of gold is actually decreasing. As you can see, the price of gold is gonna be decreasing for quite some time. As you guys would remember that I told you that when the dollar gains strength, the price of gold always decreases. Like the base currency is XAU. The code, it is indeed the USD. So if the USD is gaining strength, that means the price of gold is gonna decrease, because the other one is a base currency, the other one is a code currency. So that's the difference between the two. For example, you would expect things like USD ZAR to be very much aggressive. USD ZAR, you'd expect it to be very much bullish and aggressive. So as you can see, USD ZAR, you can even get the South African rand going back to you can get the USD ZAR going back to 18 rands something to even 19 rands. It's possible that we might experience that the USD ZAR going back to trade at even 19 rands 50, which never happened or it did happen in the past, 19 rands, 89 to even 20 rands. We can even trade at 20 rands because the the DXY is indeed gaining strength. So let's just try to start by analyzing the DXY right now and see how things are gonna be going. So there is the DXY. So simple, we had a minor pullback, and then there is your impulsive move, then your minor correction, and then the biggest impulsive move moving further up. Or this is on a daily time frame. So on a smaller time frame such as 4 hours, you see that in the market open, when the market opens today, we're gonna be experiencing or looking for a push towards the upside, which already started, as you can see. So we're gonna be looking for that push to continue moving further up. So we're gonna be looking for that push to continue moving further up. Now that we have that at the back of our head, that DXY is looking for buying opportunities, we have to then check things such as your USDCAD. Obviously, USDCAD, the prediction is that it's a buy at the moment. The prediction is that it's a buy at the moment. But looking at this, my previous analysis, it's at its a resistance level. But let's check on the daily and see what's happening. Let's check on the daily and see what's happening. So we can start by drawing a diagonal supporting trend line, and then give ourselves a horizontal line at the top. As you can see, we now have established our right angled triangle by this vertical line. So we are indeed looking for that push going up. We are indeed looking for that push going up. We continue buying just like that. So this is my USDCAD prediction. But what we must know and always have is that we are at the resistance level. We are at the resistance level. So when you are at the resistance level, you are highly likely to look for selling opportunities. But in this case, I want us to look into this thing and not rush it into expecting the sales, especially on a Monday. Rather wait until Wednesday and see if you're not gonna be getting the reversals, and see if you're not gonna be getting any form of reversals. There we are. So on a Wednesday, we might be getting beautiful sales from USDCAD. But let's wait and see and not jump into any form of conclusions right now. So moving right along, let's just try to look at the main man, XAUUSD. So let's just go to a smaller time frame. There we are. XAUUSD was behaving very much good with the bullish movements ever since this year, but I see the change of scenery coming into play. I see the change of scenery coming to play. This is a clear breakout and a retest. So that strategy is very much big. So let's just search for it. Breakout and retest strategy. Breakouts and retest strategy. So there it is. Simple breakouts and retest strategy. You see, when you're looking at this, it was simple breakout, and then you came to test, then you're looking for a secondary retest, but it never touches the resistance per se, but it just continues with the sell. So right now, in this case, what I'll be looking for here actually is this. You see, we had a simple breakout. We came to test. We're gonna sell and not finish up, go back again. However, we're probably gonna go back and be around here. Let's just highlight this. Probably around here. Yeah, probably around here. My definite entry point is gonna be around here. It's gonna be around here. My signal trigger is gonna be around here. Gonna be looking for cells somewhere here. Then I'm gonna be chowing these gold cells for probably the entire week. That's what I'm gonna be expecting. The other thing that I always see on the break and retest strategy is that if you enter way too early after the test, you might be stopped out. If you enter too quick, you might be easily stopped out, because this can even rise until here, can even pass your resistance and continue to sell. So I've seen a lot of times the break and retest strategy is clean, but in most of the cases you must be careful not to enter too quickly. You must be careful not to enter too quickly. So this week I'm looking for sells from gold, and then let me check out on NAS100. I think I'm back in trading NAS100 and US30. NAS100, here is it. You remember when I gave the signal here, it went in a way that I told you. Now we are skyrocketing. We are skyrocketing. I'm not looking for any sells anytime soon from this. Not looking for any form of sells anytime soon. I'm looking for the continuations of buy for quite some time. I'm looking for the continuations of buys for quite some time. Same applies to US30. Same applies to US30. I'm looking for buys for quite some time. I'm looking for buys for quite some time. Looking for buys for quite some time. I'm not anticipating any sell signal anytime soon. Not anticipating any sell signal anytime soon. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you so much.